Here is the now let me show you our qualification tool of let's make in our factory. First, use a punch machine to punch out the shape of the blade. This is the punch mode. And here is our punch workout. And here is our mode maintenance room, also called mode department. After the mode has been used for a period of time, we will maintain it in time to ensure a uniform shape of the blade. Here is the heat treatment process that hardens the blade. This is the blade printing process, which can print the brand logo on it. Here is most important polish step. We will test the sharpness of the blade and the condition of the blade edge every 10 minutes. Now we are testing the blade sharpness. And here is our quality office, where we use wire-raised microscopes to measure wire-raised state on the blade. So, in summary, all our blades are made by machines and have a fixed inspection frequency to ensure that the quality of each batch of blades is uniform and the quality is trustworthy. That's all, thanks.